video, I'm going to show you how teachers apply standards to their assignments. Teachers can associate one or more standards to each assignment, and Gradelink will show teachers which standards have been covered by which assignments and the class average per assignment. So the way you're going to do this is to sign into a teacher account. Now from here at the top, you're going to choose from your drop-down menu for your classes on which class you want to be working in. So for this example, we'll go ahead and choose English 5-6. And from here, you want to go into the assignments, like you're going to add an assignment. And you would do that by clicking on the Assignments tab. And once you're in the assignment information, you're going to add the usual information. So for this example, we'll go ahead and just use Book Report as the title. Then you would choose your date assigned, due date, all the usual information that's going to be entered in an assignment like you would normally do. But now you'll see down here that the standards drop-down menu has been added, and this is where you would add your standards that you want to be associated with this assignment. And you can choose all of them, or you can choose just one or two of them. So we'll go ahead and choose all of them. After you've chosen your preferred standards, you just click anywhere else off the menu. Go ahead and save it, or if you'd like to save and grade, you can click Save and Grade, and it automatically takes you to your grade assignment where you can enter in your grades. Let's say most everybody received 100% on this. So you can type in 100, and by clicking on this little arrow, it will fill in everybody with 100%. Let's say just a few of the students got a different grade than a 100. You can go ahead and change those. Let's say this one did 65. Then down at the bottom, you'll see you can hit Submit. Now, if you click on the title of the assignment, it's going to take you into the assignment information. And you'll notice down here at the bottom, it now shows the standards that are covered or associated with that assignment. And if you place your mouse over the standard and just hover over it, it'll show you up to the upper right the actual details of that standard.